Assalamualaikum. My name is Hanan Ahmed and my registration number is 21TE25. Today we are going to discuss lab number 10 of digital signal processing. The lab objective of this lab is implementation of FIR filter using frequency sampling method. Basically, the key feature of frequency sampling method is that the filter coefficients can be calculated based on the specified magnitudes of the desired filter frequency response uniformly sampled in the frequency domain. Hence, it has design flexibility. As this is the example of filter design. So let's move towards task number 1. In task number 1, we have example 7.13. So we have to design a linear phase low pass FIR filter with 25 coefficients using the frequency sampling method. Let the cutoff frequency be 2000 Hz and assume a sampling frequency of 8000 Hz. The second part of this task is plot the magnitude and phase frequency responses. And the last part is list FIR filter coefficients. So let's move towards source code. So we have cutoff frequency 2000, sampling frequency 8000. So we have to normalize the cutoff frequency and we have m is equal to 12. Now use the frequency sampling method. We n range from 0 to 24. So then find h. Then to plot the magnitude response, we use subplot command, then plot, then title the graph as magnitude response and label the x-axis as frequency and label the y-axis as magnitude. And for the plotting the phase response, we use subplot command, then plot and then title this graph as phase response and labeled x-axis as frequency and the y-axis as phase. Now compute FIR filter coefficients, that is small b is equal to capital H. So we have to print FIR filter coefficients, for we use display command. So let's simulate this code and see. As we can see, we obtained magnitude response as well as phase response. And also there is a list of filter coefficients. We can see that is basically 25 filter coefficients. So let's move towards task number 2. In this task we have example 17.14 from the book. So first part is design a linear phase bandpass FIR filter with 25 coefficients using the frequency sampling method. Let the lower and upper cutoff frequencies be 1000 and 3000 Hz respectively and assume a sampling frequency of 8000 Hz. The second part is list the FIR filter coefficients as we do on the previous task, and the third part is plot the frequency response. So let's move towards the source code for this task. First of all, we have lower cutoff frequency, that is 1000, and the upper cutoff frequency 3000, and the sampling frequency is 8000. So first of all, we have to normalize the cutoff frequency. First of all, we normalize lower cutoff frequency and then upper cutoff frequency. Here we have m is equal to 12. The frequency sampling method we apply. For this we have range n is equal to 0 to 24. That is basically 25 samples. For plot magnitude response, we use subplot command, plot command, title the graph as magnitude response, and then x-axis as frequency, y label as magnitude, then plot phase response. We use subplot command, then plot, then title this plot as phase response, x label as frequency, and the y-axis as phase radians. So we have to compute FIR filter coefficients. For this we use display command to display the filter coefficients. So let's simulate this code. As we can see, we obtain magnitude response as well as phase response, and also there is a list of filter coefficients, that is 25. So let's move towards task number 3. In this task we have 6 parts. So for this task we have to find magnitude response and phase response for the following filters. So the part 1 is determine the transfer function for a 3-tap FIR low-pass filter with a cutoff frequency of 150 Hz and a sampling rate of 1000 Hz using the frequency sampling method. So let's move towards source code for this part. So first of all we have cutoff frequency 150, sampling frequency 1000, and then normalize the cutoff frequency. Then we use frequency sampling method, then convert the transfer function. To find the magnitude response we use absolute command, and to find the phase response we use angle command. Then plot magnitude response we use subplot command, then use temp command as it is discrete function. Then we title this graph as magnitude response and label x-axis as frequency while the label y-axis as magnitude. For plot phase response, we use subplot command, stem command, title this graph x-axis and y-axis, and then compute the FIR filter coefficients. We use display command to display this. So when we simulate this code, we obtained two graphs. First one is magnitude response and the second one is phase response. And also we obtain list of FIR filters. As we can see, there is only 3 FIR filter coefficients. So let's move towards part 2. In second part we have cutoff frequency 250 Hz and the sampling rate is 1000 Hz, and the remaining question is same. So let's move towards source code. So we have cutoff frequency 250 and sampling frequency 1000. Then follow the same procedure as the previous. First of all, normalize the cutoff frequency, then apply frequency sampling method, then convert these to transfer function, and then find magnitude response, phase response, and then plot the magnitude response and plot phase response, and then we simulate this code. As we can see, we obtained two graphs. First one is magnitude response and the second one is phase response. So let's move towards part 3. In part 3, we have cutoff frequency 2000 Hz, sampling rate is 8000. So let's move towards source code. As we can see, cutoff frequency is 2000, sampling frequency 8000. First of all, normalize the cutoff frequency, then use frequency sampling method, then convert these to transfer function, then use magnitude response. For this we use absolute command, then find the phase response, and then plot magnitude response and phase response. So let's simulate this code. As we can see, we obtained the magnitude response as well as phase response. So let's move towards last part. In this part, we have cutoff frequency is 3000 Hz and the sampling rate is 8000 Hz. So let's move towards source code. So follow the same procedure. First of all, normalize the cutoff frequency, then use frequency sampling method, then convert it to transfer function, then find magnitude response and phase response. So simulate this code. We can see we obtained magnitude response as well as phase response.